So now we have the basics of our home laid out. We have our first floor, three separate rooms, actually four rooms if we add on the bathroom. We also have our doors and our windows in, and we can take a look in 3D and start to see what it looks like. Now we can add in a few more things as well. And I'm not going to spend too much time with this because again, you can play around with a lot of this and figure this out. But just to show you a little bit, so we can add in different things, stairs, fireplaces. If you want to add on stairs and add on a second floor, you can do so. Let's say we wanted to add in a spiral staircase, maybe right over here. Let's take a look at that, see if it's in the right direction. We can spin it so that it's facing the right way. Let's take a look at that now. It's still not going the right way, so let's spin it some more. Alright, there we go. So if you wanted to add on another floor, you can do so over here. Click on first floor, you can click on add a level, and you can add on another floor as well. Again, it really depends upon how large of a project you want to make this with your class. So for now, we're not going to do that. Let's just keep it to one floor for this example today. But we can go back to our main page. We can start to furnish it, add in furniture in there. You have different choices of sofas, which you can put right in here. You can click on it, spin it around, lay it out however you want, or however the students want. Let's say that we add in just a couple of them here. Just so that we can start to lay things out. So we have our little area here. We can add in, you can add in sectionals, media units, all those good things. Let's add in a little media unit here. We can go back. We can add in living room storage, accessories, etc. So again, you can go through and play with that a little bit. If you wanted to make one of them a bedroom, an office, you have all these different options on here. We can also go in and add in things like art and decor, so that would be things like rugs. Let's just say that we added in something like this. You can click on it, you can actually make it a little bit larger if you want. So we can make it a little bit larger there. You can spin it if you want. And you can see that it gives little lines so that you can kind of line things up as well. So we have that in there. You can add in things like mirrors, artwork. They don't have a lot of choices, but they have some. So you can put like artwork on the wall. Say we put in a picture there, maybe a picture here. So we have all those things on there. You can add in electronics. I know students like this section because they can add in large TVs. You can put it up maybe right there. So now we can start to see a little bit about what our house looks like, how things are looking. So the next step, after you play around with that a little bit, add some things in there, we can go ahead and add in our paint. Pick a paint color. You can do different paints. You can do tiling, wallpaper. Let's just do a paint for now though. You can choose by colors. So I'm just going to go with the blue. We can go into 3D mode here just to start to get some ideas for coloring. And you can do it just by room. So you can see the color of the room. I actually like that color quite a bit. We can go back, click on paints. We can add in different colors for our different rooms. Let's go back here for a second. Maybe we'll go with something different for the kitchen, something bright. Maybe a nice orange perhaps, or maybe a red of some sort. Okay, so you can play around with that a little bit, get some ideas for paint colors. You can decorate the house how you want. You can go in, add different things in for the kitchen, for the office. So again, I'm going to play around with that just a little bit before the next video, so that when we come back we can take a look at how to save these, as well as how to embed them.